everybody? Brent Franklin, Rise Petroleum. We're out here in Lavaca County today on our Rise Rodent well number 1. This is our first new drill of our natural gas production side for Rise Petroleum. It's a very exciting day, so I wanted to give you some information on exactly what the process is. If you look behind me, you see our rig. It's rigging up right now. This rig is designed to drill shallow wells. It's a smaller rig, and today what they're doing is they're rigging up. So you see we've already had our dirt crew come in here and set up our pits to the side. This is where all of the drill pieces and bits will come out of the earth, along with the water that we use to drill. So we've got a pump truck on site right over here, filling up our frac train. And so this will get us started whenever we spud in. Under here, come take a look. This right here is actually where the well will go. So it's gonna go right here into the ground. And what you'll see up here at the top, the bottom of the floor, is the hole for the drill bit to go in. So here in a couple days, there'll actually be a wellhead over here. Your BOP is sitting ready. That way we have protection for the blowout prevention. And we are gonna get this baby moving. So stay tuned and I'll fill you in more on the process. All right, so this phase is going to be adding production casing. If you look behind me, you can see that what we've done is we've already ran our pipes down into the hole. We've circulated in the hole. We've already logged it and we've ran back in to circulate. We've cleaned all the debris out of the hole. So now all we have is nice, clean, heavy mud down in the hole. If you look behind me over here, what we have is some surface casing. This is gonna be 4.5 inch N80 casing, which is stronger than what we typically need, but due to being busy in Texas right now, we have to get what we can find. So we've got hardened tubular and sails coming out here to bring us everything. And what we're doing over here is we are moving our pipe racks. This will actually hold our tubing. Now there's our casing, excuse me. There's a very important part about this that you gotta remember. Whenever your truck driver comes in, you wanna make sure that your male end is facing towards the rig and your female end is facing away from the rig. That way, whenever they drag it up, it goes in the hole correctly. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set up our pipe rack right over here, and we will set our casing on top of the pipe rack. And they will go in there, and they will we'll have our casing crew come out here and start running it.